Introduction. In the remote and rugged landscapes of the Indonesian archipelago, a prehistoric-looking giant reigns supreme. The Komodo dragon, Varanus komodoensis, is not only the world's largest lizard, but also one of the most enigmatic and fascinating creatures on our planet. These awe-inspiring reptiles have captured the imaginations of naturalists, scientists, and adventurers for decades, and this text aims to delve deep into their world, revealing the intricacies of their biology, behavior, habitat, and the conservation challenges they face. Origins and taxonomy. The Komodo dragon, known as Ora or Buaya Darat in local languages, hails from a handful of islands in Indonesia, the primary one being Komodo Island, from which it gets its name. These islands, part of the Lesser Sunda archipelago, have provided a unique environment for the evolution of this magnificent species. The Komodo dragon belongs to the family Varanidae, which includes monitor lizards, renowned for their large size and remarkable adaptations. Within this family, it is the only species in the Varanus genus. Komodo dragons are classified under the order Squamata, the same group that includes all lizards and snakes. This classification might seem basic, but it hides the intricate web of evolutionary history and adaptations that make Komodo dragons such incredible creatures. Physical characteristics. Size. Arguably the most iconic feature of the Komodo dragon is its colossal size. These lizards are the world's largest living reptiles, with some individuals reaching lengths of up to 10 feet 3 meters and weighing over 150 pounds 70 kilograms. Males are generally larger than females, with thicker bodies and more robust heads. Skin and scales. Komodo dragons are covered in tough, armored scales that act as a form of natural protection. The skin color varies, but they are predominantly a grayish-brown with blotches of black, green, and yellow. The skin's rugged texture and intricate patterns serve to break up their outline in the wild, making them difficult to spot by both prey and potential predators. Head and skull. A Komodo dragon's head is massive, with powerful jaws and sharp teeth. They have a keen sense of smell, aided by a forked tongue, that helps them detect scent particles in the air. Their bite is not only strong but filled with virulent bacteria, making it one of the deadliest in the animal kingdom. Limbs and claws. Their limbs are short but robust, and they have sharp, curved claws that are excellent for digging and gripping prey. These adaptations make them efficient hunters and climbers, enabling them to traverse the rugged terrain of their island homes. Tail. The tail of a Komodo dragon is long and muscular, used for balance and as a formidable weapon. They can lash it with incredible force and accuracy, making it a fearsome tool in both hunting and combat. Habitat and distribution. Komodo dragons are endemic to a few islands in Indonesia, primarily Komodo, Rincau, Flores, Gili Moton, and a few smaller islets. These islands are part of the Lesser Sunda archipelago, a region known for its rugged landscapes and diverse ecosystems. Their habitats consist of tropical dry forests, savannas, and grasslands, where the climate is hot and arid. The dry season can be particularly harsh, and water sources can be scarce, which has shaped the behavior and physiology of these reptiles in fascinating ways. Behavior and diet. Komodo dragons are carnivorous predators, and their diet mainly consists of carrion. They are opportunistic feeders, with a keen sense of smell that allows them to locate dead or dying animals over vast distances. Their powerful jaws and serrated teeth enable them to tear through the tough hides and bones of their prey. While they are capable of hunting, their primary strategy is to wait for nature to take its course. They often scavenge carcasses left behind by larger predators like tigers, as well as animals that die from natural causes. This scavenging behavior has earned them the nickname land vultures. Reproduction. Komodo dragons are solitary creatures for most of the year, but they come together during the mating season, which typically occurs from May to August. Males engage in combat for access to females, using their powerful tails as weapons. Once a male has secured a mate, the female lays a clutch of eggs, which she buries in a nest. After a gestation period of around 3 months, the young Komodo dragons hatch. The life of a young Komodo dragon is fraught with danger. They are vulnerable to predation, and even adult Komodos will not hesitate to prey on the hatchlings. The young dragons typically stay in trees to avoid the relentless predators on the ground. Komodo dragons are predominantly solitary creatures with a fierce territorial instinct. However, they do come into contact with each other during feeding and mating. Their communication is mainly through body language, hisses, and a variety of vocalizations. In these encounters, dominant individuals will establish their authority through assertive displays, and less dominant individuals will yield. Despite their remarkable adaptability and evolutionary success, Komodo dragons are facing a host of challenges that threaten their survival. They are currently listed as vulnerable on the International Union for Conservation of Nature's IUCN Red List. Their biggest threats include habitat loss, poaching, invasive species, and climate change. Efforts to protect these magnificent creatures and their unique habitats are ongoing. Indonesia has established several protected areas, including Komodo National Park. Conservation organizations work tirelessly to raise awareness, combat illegal poaching, and conduct research. Educational programs and ecotourism initiatives are also crucial. The Komodo dragon is a living testament to the power of adaptation. Their immense size, formidable predatory capabilities, and enigmatic lifestyle make them a marvel of the natural world. The conservation of the Komodo dragon is a call to preserve the untamed beauty of nature and ensure that future generations can marvel at the world's largest lizard, the remarkable Komodo dragon. The Indonesian islands, home to the Komodo dragons, have shaped their unique adaptations due to the harsh and unpredictable environment. A standout feature is their ability to survive long periods without food. They can feast when prey is abundant and slow their metabolism during scarcity. Their thermoregulatory abilities, being ectothermic, allow them to thrive in extreme tropical conditions. They warm up by basking in the sun and cool down in shade or burrows. Their long and flexible jaws enable them to swallow large chunks of meat and even whole prey. The Komodo dragon's bite is particularly fearsome. Their saliva contains bacteria, primarily from the genus Aeromonas, causing deadly infections when they bite. This bacterial strategy makes them successful predators. Interestingly, they might also have venomous characteristics. While once believed to have vestigial venom glands, recent research indicates they produce venom. This venom may contain proteins causing anticoagulation and shock, further incapacitating their prey. The exact role of this venom is still under scientific investigation.